right now, I was filming with the GoPro. It's Kevin Kev GoPro. He be letting me hold it. You know what I mean? But I gotta get him a hard drive so he can have all the footage that he has on here or had on here on a hard drive, and then the videos that we make and shit on his hard drive. Well, right now we are about to go see if we can get the drone out of the trunk, fly it from this parking lot over the highway, and get some shots of this car accident. Yo, them cars smacked. Yo, they smacked. But right now we are in Deptford, so we're gonna try to do this. All right, be right back. I'm saying be right back for like I'm going anywhere. We're gonna have to do this from Sam's Club. It's about to be crazy. We're gonna try it though. You see, yeah. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to get him to like drive and see if the drone curses too much. If the drone can follow him in the car. We're gonna definitely have to try it on the highway at some point in time. But right now, it's cold. It's cold. I ain't too cold. I got on like 3 layers. You heard? My jacket. It's in your car, So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna try to follow his car. We're gonna see if we can get this off. Alright, so he's moving. I'm expecting it to work. Let me turn this music off. Yo, I almost literally crashed into the building. That was crazy. I was literally gonna follow him. But I think the obstacle avoidance would have stopped it, but I ain't taking that chance. good. My mouth probably dry. I just wrecked. I need to fix the lens. What's good with you? We out here right now. I got Darren. Yo, look at the sky. You see the sky? I ain't got the tripod handle on the camera, so I can't like hold it all crazy. But look at the sky. There's a boat right there, right? Yo, try to do the orbit around that boat. You think you can do that? You know how to do that shit? You know how to do that shit? There you go. Ah, that shit about to be sick. You can back it up a little bit. You can
recording. Fuck I'm doing. No, I just hit it.
Look at his shit. His shit up there somewhere. His shit going around this joint right here. I'm gonna go get a shot of it too, so then I can put it in the vlog. But gotta get this guy to learn how to use this shit and take risks with that bitch.
Yes, sir.
I ain't got my focus right. Waiting for Trav to come down here. Once he get down here, see what's popping. He gonna pull up in the green olive. You know, Trav got a new whip and shit. My guy got a new whip. Let's get up in the air though.
Yeah. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Telly. Yeah, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why don't you see? Tryna call you Telly. Yeah. People act like they know me, but you don't really know me. I've been out here on my own.
You're not gonna do it.
I've been grinding all alone.
You ain't got no room.
Yeah.
No room.
That shit. Just be cool with it.
No, I'm saying like the cut, don't hit it that hard. Just
That's me, Bobby. Look.
you leaving too?
That shit. That's not mine. How is it too close to being focused? Are you serious? Autofocus is continuous. There. But at night, not happening. Look, we got joggers. Yo, this is Camden. Let me explain something to you. I'm so used to this area that I'm in right now, in the new waterfront, not looking like this. It looked backwards. It looked crazy. But now, oh yeah. That's why my shit was bugging. My shutter speed was at 250. Why did I have my shutter speed at 250? I don't know. Is that Trav? That's not Trav. This nigga Trav supposed to come out here like 8 hours ago. Ooh, bullshit.
Well, they both lifted.
Look at this. Lift that thing up. Pick that thing up. You're only 123 feet. Yeah, lift that thing up, cause your shit going red. At least 200 feet when you over the street. It seemed to be the best angle that you could see more or less some actual complete progress of, even though just looking at it. I'm excited. He's here. Okay, my light died, and I don't feel like going through the whole process of doing other stuff now. This is where he's at. You have my brother on the background in the phone, but this is where we're at with this. I'm gonna fix everything that broke. Both legs, the arm. Hopefully we can get through this side with no problems. But I'm gonna fix everything that's broke, and I'm gonna download the blueprint for the one where you make it into about 5 different pieces and then you put them together. So far, so not good, but good. Yeah.